model, 69-plate Ford Transit Connect 200L1 diesel 1.5 EcoBlue 120ps limited van body, white, panel van mileage, 81,567 MOT, the 19th of June 2024 engine, 1,499 cc 1.5 TDCI 120ps S6H transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: electric windows, cruise control, 2 keys, air con, parking sensors, sat-nav, start-stop, reversing camera. EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap retail, 13,095.